Okay, so you need to communicate.
Go forward, Aniska. Go forward, stand up slowly. Slowly. Let's small steps forward. Small step, just a small. Go.
We should rearrange. Please rearrange.
Rearrange.
Shane, trust me, okay? Little step for right. Little step only. Go. Right.
Yes, that's correct, right.
Straight. Straight. Little by little, okay? The right again. That's good. Straight forward. Straight.
Go ATC.
Straight. Go. Forward.
Say that system we link all locations was a false. Sold in the overhead compartments.
Pull the strap to adjust. To unfasten.
Who will demonstrate the safety features of this aircraft. Each seat is provided with a belt. To fasten, simply push ends together. Pull the strap to adjust. To unfasten, just lift the top of buckle and pull free end to release. Is located under your seat. To use, remove the vest from its container by pulling on the top and opening the pouch. Leave the vest over your head, bring the strap around your waist, and secure the buckle. Pull the strap to tighten. As to leave the plane, inflate the life vest by pulling the red tab at the bottom of the vest. To manually inflate it, blow into the tube to increase air and push it inward to release air. Lights will activate automatically in the water. Drop from the compartments above your seat. Pull the mask down sharply to activate the flow of oxygen. Place the mask over your nose and mouth. Pull the elastic strap over your head and tighten by pulling the end of the strap. Remain calm and breathe normally. If you want, and at the rear, and move at each side of the overwing exits. Or proximity lights to the nearest exits. Please read them carefully before takeoff.
Good morning. Today is Monday. Rest day ko ulit ngayon. Nung day 6, nagkaroon kami ng quiz about dun sa diniscuss nung day 5. Tapos, pa-chill-chill pa ako bago ko pumasok kasi hindi ko alam na may quiz pala kami. Pero thanks God may nasagot ako. Tapos nung day 7, whole day kami from 7 a.m. to 6 p.m. Ang dami namin ginawa, discussion, mga activities, role play, saka tinuruan din kami ng safety demo. Medyo familiar na ako sa safety demo kasi ginagawa na namin siya before nung nasa STI pa lang ako. Meron din kaming culminating this week, role play yun. Gagawin namin siya sa aircraft simulator. Magbe-briefing kami saka safety demo. Kaya kami tinuruan mag-safety demo kahapon para sa culminating namin. Today, papahinga lang talaga ako kasi sa mga susunod na araw, sunod-sunod na yung pasok ko tapos Sunday na ulit yung rest day ko. So far, ayun lang naman yung nangyari for the past few days. See you sa next day!
Orange, Coke, rice, water, white wine, and red wine.
Hi vlog. Mag-hi ka sa vlog.
Hi ka sa vlog. Ano pong pangalan niyo, ma'am?
Heart Evangelist.
Kayo po, ma'am. Ano pong pangalan niyo?
Hindi, Kitty Duterte yan.
Pangalan niyo?
Ayana Subiri.
Diana Subiri. Ito, ma'am.
Angel Luxie.
Ma'am, kayo po?
Ann Curtis.
Kayo po, ma'am.
Bea Benene.
Bea Bunda.
Sasampakin ko to.
Sabay.
Tawagin mo, Catherine.
Ano pong pangalan niyo, ma'am?
Catherine nga po.
Eh, yung isa po sa dulo, ano pong pangalan nila, ma'am?
Mama ko.
Tanungin niyo ako.
Oo nga.
Tanungin niyo ako.
Patay mo lang.
Ate, ano pangalan mo?
Bini Aya.
Ano?
Bakit sa salamin dyan? O, bilis tayo.